ओके। हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज आदि एंड आप सब लोग देख रहे हैं वे टू सक्सेस हमारा चैनल। तो आप सबका स्वागत है एक और नए वीडियो में। हम देख रहे हैं इंटरव्यू, और आज का इंटरव्यू हम लेने वाले कोर जावा के ऊपर। ओके, तो इसमें आपके सारे डाउट्स, जो क्वेश्चंस आपको इंटरव्यू में देखने को मिलेंगे, जो आप इंटरव्यू देने वाले हैं, ओके, तो उसमें जो क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे, किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं, क्या पूछा जाता है इंटरव्यू में, सब कुछ बताने का ट्राई मैं इस वीडियो में करूंगा। और साथ ही हमारे साथ एक स्टूडेंट भी है जो इंटरव्यू देने वाला है। ठीक है, तो आज का इंटरव्यू उनका हम लेने वाले हैं। देखते हैं वो कैसे ट्राई करते हैं, क्वेश्चन के आंसर कैसे देते हैं। चलो सीधे मैं उनके पास जाता हूँ और सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन उनको मैं पूछना चाहूंगा। हेलो, जस्ट टेल मी about yourself to our audience and also me. I also don't know what is your name, what is your background, or what's your education background. Okay, so just tell me about yourself.
Yes, sir. First of all, thank you to giving me this opportunity to connect with you and conduct my mock interview. Myself, Suman Kumar, and I am from Delhi. And I
Okay.
have done my graduation BSc Chemistry, and currently I am pursuing MCA. And I have a strong knowledge in Core Java, Advanced Java, Spring Boot, Hibernate, as well as basic understanding of the microservices.
Okay.
I have also done 1 year internship. Yes, the Media Company, Dwarika. And my strength is I am self-motivated and hardworking. That's all.
Yeah, yeah. Good, Sumit. Good. You have good knowledge of, you have said already, core Java, advanced Java, Spring Boot, microservices. But guys, we are taking interview on only core Java. Okay. After the this interview, we will also taking interview on advanced Java, Spring Boot. So keep it up. Keep touch with our channel. Okay. So you will get
Yeah,
everything.
sure,
Yeah.
sure, sure.
So my first question for you, Sumit. You said you have good knowledge on core Java also. Okay. So just tell me, what is the basic difference in between core Java and advanced Java?
Core Java is the code with the help of Core Java develop the console-based application and desktop application with help of Swing. But with the help of Advanced Java, we develop the web applications to interact with user and get the input and process the dynamic response.
Okay, okay, good, Sumit. Sumit, you know polymorphism in Java. So what is the concept of polymorphism? Why to use that concept?
Yes, sir. Polymorphism is a mechanism to one object have different behavior in a different circumstances. This is called polymorphism. It has
Yeah.
two types, runtime and compile time. So method overriding is the example of runtime polymorphism, and method overloading is the example of compile time polymorphism. So
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, continue.
method overriding is the whenever parent class and child class both have having ditto same method, then this concept is known as method overriding. But
Okay.
method overloading is the within a class and multiple same method is method overloading. So we achieve the method overloading in number of change of number of parameter and data type.
Okay. Okay, Smith. Okay. Good. Whatever you have said is right and also excellent. Sumit, can you tell me what advantage we will get when we use method overloading?
Method overloading is a use to different method have the different behavior and
Okay.
different used for different purpose.
Okay. Sumit, what is final keyword?
Final keyword is used for basically restrict the user, and final keyword is used with class, variable, and as well as method. So final keyword is used with variable. So with we can declare the variable with final. So its value is the constant. So it will not be changed.
Okay.
And final keyword also used with class. So if final keyword used with class, so can't inherit the class is on another subclass. and as well method also used with method. So can't used with final keyword with method, so can't override this method.
Okay, no problem. Uh, Sumit, what is the difference between static variable and instance variable?
Static variable is used with static keyword and write with inside the class class area and outside the method area. And instance variable also declared in inside the class area and outside the method area. But the main difference is static variable is used with static keyword.
Yeah. Okay. Good, Sumit. But can you tell me, Sumit, when to use static variable and when to use instance variable?
Yeah, a static variable is used because memory management mainly. If we have those common properties in a class, have multiple objects, so used with a static keyword, because a
Oh,
static keyword is create the program of the memory efficient mainly. And
okay.
if
Can you tell me some example of common property, as you said, common property?
yes, yes, sir. As like I have a um, one earphone, so it have multiple mm, multiple as like multiple, it have same name, brand name is same, but
Okay.
quantity and quality is the different. But
Okay.
all property have the brand is same, so we can write the brand name is the static variable with a static variable, because brand name is the shared with all proper all object.
Yeah, right. And how we can access that static variable, instance variable, how we can access?
The static variable is access with belongs to the class and access with class level area. An instance variable is used initialize with object. Object is the initialize the instance variable.
Okay. Sumit, can we create a class as a static?
Static. No,
Yeah,
sir.
class can be. No?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Class. Yes, sir.
Class
Class. Yeah, yes, sir. Declare with a static keyword in class. When we create the inner class, then we will declare with the static keyword with class.
outer class can be static.
No, outer class cannot be a static.
Okay. Can we make constructor as abstract?
Sorry, sir.
Constructor can we make as abstract?
No, sir. Constructor not be create with all abstract keyword.
Okay. Just go to the abstraction. Okay, just tell me what is abstraction and what is the purpose of abstraction? Why to use abstraction?
Yeah. Abstraction is a mechanism to hiding the complexity and implementing and show the functionality for from user. As like sending the email as though user cannot show the implementing how to implement the send email, but user send the email because show the essential information for user to how to send the email. So user send the email but don't know the implementing. So
Yeah.
basically abstraction is used for security purpose, and we can achieve the abstraction by abstract class and interface. So mainly abstract class, with the help of abstract class we achieve the 1 to 100% abstraction, but interface achieve the 100% abstraction.
Yeah. We can achieve 100% abstraction by using interface.
By
How
interface.
can you say we can achieve 100% by using interface? And in the case of abstract class, we can achieve 1 to 100%. How it's work?
Because abstract class contains the abstract and concrete method also, but interface cannot contains the non-abstract method, that means concrete method. Interface only contain the abstract method, so this is the main reason of the achieve the by interface of the 100% abstraction.
Yeah, right. interface contain only abstract methods, but from the Java 1.8 itself, it also having static and default methods. Okay, okay, no problem, Sumit. You are good knowledge in every concept in Java, and it's good for you also. Okay, we will also check the knowledge of advanced Java also, because basically advanced Java is used in company for developing project. You know that, right?
Yes.
But the
Yeah.
basic fundamental concepts provides core Java. If you know core Java, then you are good at advanced Java, we can say, because core Java is the part of advanced Java. If you know core Java, then you survive in advanced Java. Okay, so let me check another some concepts of core Java. Sumit, just tell me, what is string constant pull memory area?
Yeah. When we create the string object with string literal, so then create the object with the string constant pool. String constant pool is the memory location and inside the heap memory area. So when we create the object with string literal, then occupy the memory with string constant pool.
Okay, okay, good, Sumit, good. What is the difference between equal to operator and equals method?
Yeah, equals method is basically used for check the contents. Yani that means object how to contents object contains the equals method is basically used for check the content,
Yes,
and double equal operator check the contents and the data type.
double equal operator, it check the content and data type.
Yes,
No, Sumit. Equal to operator in Java is basically check the memory location of both string.
memory location.
Yes, memory location. It does not check the content. For the content, we have equals method. Okay,
Yes.
equal to only check the memory location. If the memory location is same, then it will return true, else it will return false. Okay, okay, no problem. What is the difference between string buffer and string builder class?
Yeah, a string is the immutable, but a string buffer and a string builder is not immutable. So we can create the string and lot of modification, write the lot of modifications. So we go from a string buffer and a string builder, but we can't lot of modification with a string keyword, a string class. So mainly main difference between a string buffer and a string builder. So a string buffer is the synchronized, but a string builder is not a synchronized. So with the because a string builder is the fast with compared to a string buffer. So mainly both these difference of the string and
Okay,
string buffer and
as you said, string is immutable. Okay, so
yeah.
what is immutable exactly?
The immutable, that means if we create the object with a string class, so we can't change the object. So that means string is the immutable.
Okay, that means once we create the object, we cannot change in
So
the
that
future.
means change
Okay,
the
but if you try to change in that object, so what will happen?
yeah, we create the another reference, then we change the object reference.
Okay, that means new object got created, but the existing object will not be changed, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
right.
Okay, that is a concept of immutable, and it is very important concept, guys. That's why string is a very string importance in Java is very important. Okay. Okay. Sumit, what is array, and what is the advantage of array in Java? Why to use array?
Yes, sir. Array is an object and store the homogeneous type of data in a contiguous memory location. So homogeneous, that means array store the same type of data as like a string. So array store only a string type data. Int that means only store the integer type int type of data. So that means homogeneous type of data is stored array. So array is the index based data structure. Index start as like zero, and first element is the zero indexed, and second element is the first index is the sequentially. And mainly main advantage of array is code optimization and random access also.
Yeah,
And
good.
array have some disadvantage also, because we can create the array object, so it cannot change the array size
Size.
of full time.
Yeah, right. Good, Sumit. Let's move to the, there are the basic main components of Java like JDK, JRE, JVM. So exactly what is JDK, what is JRE, and what is JVM? Just explain.
Yeah. JDK, that means Java Development Kit, and Java Development Kit provides the all related to development related kit. Only I know, sir. This is the full from JDK, Java Development Kit, JRE, Java Runtime Environment. So Java Runtime Environment provide the program education environment.
Yeah, right. You are also saying right, no problem. But when we go for the interviewer might be knowing all knowledge of that things. Okay, whatever he asking, you should know that things, right? If he ask you what is JDK, so you have to say JDK. Inside JDK we have JRE, JVM, right? So what is exactly JRE? JRE provides runtime environment classes, API, jar files, right? For example, we know that system, we are printing system dot out dot println. So system class is present in JRE, right? We know that. Then we have also another classes like string classes and many classes provided by the JRE, right? So we can run our program. And inside JRE, we have also JVM, right? So JVM is also important component, and he is responsible for the executor program also, because JVM includes interpreter, right? By the help of execution engine, it will execute your bytecode, right? We know that. Then JVM also some things, right, like class loader, bytecode verifier, memory areas, right? GIT compiler, all that things present in JVM. Okay, so this is very important component, important part of the our Java programming language. Okay, so no problem. You are also good that. Let's move to the collection. Okay, so Sumit, tell me what is a collection in Java?
Collection is the Java framework and represent the single unit of object. And collection is the framework. Framework, that means framework is the collection of the classes and interfaces.
Yeah.
So collection is the provide the facility of and provide the multiple classes and interface to perform the multiple operations, as like insertion, deletion, searching, sorting, etc. So collection is the parent class in the collection hierarchy. So it have three with collects list. It is the child interface of the list, set, and map.
Okay. Can you tell me what are the implemented classes of list interface?
Implemented four class of the list interface of the implemented class.
Okay.
First, array list, linked list, vector, and step.
Okay. Okay. Just tell me what is the difference between array list and linked list?
Array list, linked list. Array list is the linked list is the faster with compared to array list, because linked list is the because array list is the index based data structure, but linked list is the node based data structure. So index based data structure is the just like a shifting model. So this is the main reason of the efficiency, slow performance, and linked list is the node based data structure. So because node is the fast with compared to index based, so this is the main reason of the linked list and array list.
So when to use array list and when to use linked list, you know that? If you want to retrieve the data, then go for array list, right? But if you want to insert and delete data, then go for linked list, because it will store the element in form of node. So it will be better to insert and delete. But in the case of array list, there is a disadvantage when we insert and delete data, because it insert data in form of indexing, right? That is shifting order. Okay, so it will better to use array list when you want to retrieve the data. Okay, or we can say get the data. Okay, Sumit, can we store duplicate elements inside the array list?
Yes, sir. Duplicate allow the added list and also linked list.
Okay, can we have a number of null values?
Multiple null value stored in the added list.
Okay, okay, excellent. Good knowledge you have also. If I talk about set interface, there are we know that number of implemented classes, right? But can you tell me what is tree set? Inside the set interface, we have tree set. What is the purpose of tree set?
Tree set maintain the ascending order, and it cannot contain the duplicate value and include with null value. Null. Tree set is not store the null value because tree set mm, tree set maintain the ascending order.
Okay, that means this is
And
responsible for ascending, right?
yeah,
Okay, it is. It have also not include null value. Also, guys, just listen carefully because null value also not stored inside the tree set. Okay, but if you talk about hash set and linked hash set, it having one null value. Okay, Sumit, go for the map interface. Just tell me what is map.
map interface. Map is an interface and store the data with key and value pair, and
Okay,
it have multiple method to store the data and perform the operations. It have the implemented class hash map, link hash map.
okay, Sumit. Can you tell me what is hash table?
Currently I not remember, sir.
Okay, no problem. Hash table is also implemented class of map interface, and it will also
Okay.
store the element in form of key and value pair. Okay, but it is a synchronized class. We know that it extends to the dictionary class, and it cannot have single null value. Also null key also it cannot have. Okay, okay, no problem. Sumit, my next question is that is, what is this call and super call?
This keyword is the hold the current class reference ID and multiple uses of this keyword. As like this is the solve the data shadowing problem. This is used for invoke the immediate current class constructor method and pass the as a argument in a method and constructor also. Or super keyword is the hold the immediate parent class reference ID. So super keyword is used with variable method. Super keyword represent the parent class reference ID.
Okay, good. Sumit, in which package we have scanner class? In which package?
Util package.
Yeah, java.util package, we have scanner class, right? Absolutely right. Okay, Sumit, in Java, if I want to handle my exception, so what are the different types of way in Java we have?
Java provide the multiple way to handle the exception as like try, catch, throws, finally. So Java provide the multiple keywords.
Okay. Which way you have to use in your program whenever you write your program? What way you say as a good way to handle the exception?
Yeah,
Try
I
catch or
will
try catch
yeah
or throws keyword or throw keyword.
yeah. So I will handle with multiple way to handle the exception as like with the help of try catch block and throws keyword also, and create the custom class exception and handle the exception. So try and catch is a block. So try inside the try block we write the suspected code, and catch block write the catch block handle the exception inside the catch block, and throw keyword is used for handle the programmer throw the exception is the custom with new
Okay.
keyword as like we throw the exception user not applicable for this mm, anything as like to vote etc something. So we declare with new keyword and handle the exception with throw keyword. And throw keyword is also used to indicate the throws keyword is used with method, and throws keyword is used indicate the method with throw throw the throw the
Exception
exception
in
to
future.
in future. So handle the exception, otherwise automatically handle the exception with the help of throws keyword.
Yeah. It will handle by the JVM if you not
Yes.
handle that. Okay. Okay, Sumit, you are good at exception handling also, and it is more important part of Java because exception is a part of program, right? It will occur. You know that when it will occur. But there are two types of exception: compile time and runtime exception.
Yes,
Can you tell me
exactly.
just some example of compile time and some example of runtime?
The compile time and runtime, two types of exceptions. So compile time exception is like file not found exception, SQL exception. So
Okay.
compiled is the predicted exception in a compile time and throw the exception. So we try and catch is the mandatory with compile time exception. But unchecked exception, yeah, that means runtime exception. So JVM not predicted the exception at a compile time and throw the exception on the runtime. So so this is the unchecked exception.
Yeah, that is arithmetic exception, right?
Arithmetic
Then null
exception,
pointer exception we
no
have.
pointer,
Okay,
array
no,
out of
okay.
bound exception.
Yeah, array out of bound exception. Yeah, many more exceptions in Java. And when we occur exception, we are seeing that where my program is going to wrong. Okay.
Yes.
Sumit, few questions I want to ask you, and we'll stop here. Okay. My next question for you. You know JDBC?
Yes, sir, I know JDBC.
Okay. Just tell me what is JDBC and what are the steps to connect Java application to the database?
Yes, so JDBC is the Java database connectivity, and it is the API and provide it. JDBC is the API to provide the connect Java program with a database. So JDBC is the mediator of Java program and database. So it has the to five step of the establish the connection with Java program and database. So first of all, load the driver with the first of all load driver and then create connection and execute query and close the connection. So dot class, yeah, predefined class. JDBC provide the predefined class to connect the load the driver as like for class dot for name or inside the write the inside the SQL load driver statement load write the driver statement and connection inter with the help of connection interface to establish the connection and inside the write the connection. So information of the MySQL as like password, username, and database name, etc. And Java provide the multiple classes to execute the query as like prepared statement, statement interface, etc. etc. So with the help of prepared statement, we create the our statement execute with the provide prepared statement provide the method to execute the query, and after perform the all tasks, then we close the database connection.
Yeah, good, Sumit. You are also said good and right answer for the JDBC connection. Okay, no problem, Sumit. You have good at core Java in my side. You know each and every concept which is present in core Java. Okay, we will see another interview which is depend on advanced Java. Okay, and some questions of SQL we are also seeing in that interview. Okay, and advanced Java concept we will see and see in future interview. Okay, so all the best for future interview mock interview with me. Okay, and I think this interview is also good for you and me and also with our audience. Okay, also good for our audience who are seeing this interview. Guys, just see whatever questions I am asking to the Sumit, he's very confidently tell that answers. Okay, so you need to also check our questions, our answers, okay, and just improve yourself. Okay guys, if you want to connect with me, if you want to give the mock interview with me, just connect me. My number is in the description box. You can connect me, message me. I will arrange the interview for you also. Okay, so Sumit, what is your feedback for this interview?
Good, sir. Very good.
Okay, okay, okay.
And thank you again.
Yeah, welcome, Sumit, and connect with me. I will arrange many more interview for you also, okay, and your knowledge also improve by giving this interview. Okay, so we will stop here for today, guys, and just connect with the Way to Success channel. You will get something new here. Okay, so we will stop here, Sumit. Sumit, thank you for joining this interview, and best of luck, or we can say all the best for your future. Thank you.